Good morning, everybody. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States, America, guys. Happy Thursday, everybody. And of course, happy coffee. Oh, my goodness. What a day. Let's see what happens with silver and gold today. We're going to talk about our silver and gold updates today. And then we're going to show you a few of my 93-year-old veterans coin collection that he prized so much that there's some cool stuff in here, guys, but we got to give him kudos. He's 93 years old and he loved doing this, whether there's value in him or not. I'm going to continue to show as much as I can every day. So let's get on to gold and silver, everybody. It's stayed pretty stable here the last day or so. And, as volatile as it has been, I expected silver overnight to really drive. I mean, I even thought, hey, man, is it going to hit $54 at 1 o'clock in the morning? It has not. Happy coffee. But in any event, we are Thursday, everybody. And a lot of times what I've been noticing is on Thursdays, these metals tend to dip and then they come back and on Friday and do much better. And then on Mondays is a big day. So are we going to expect a dip today? Or are we going to continue to drive up when our markets actually open up? But who knows? But gold right now is at 42.2470. Silver is at 52.78. It's actually down this morning 19 cents. Platinum is even. Right now, it's 1661. I need to talk more about platinum. Also, I'm going to show you a little bit of a chart, a history silver chart, which is really cool, where you can really see how silver has climbed over the years. I mean, since 2020, what I calculated, silver's gone up 175%. If that's not a great investment, guys, I don't know what is. Gold has gone up 150%. So two great investments. And of course, don't forget real estate. Palladium is at 1530, and actually rhodium's starting to climb again, everybody. $7,400 right now. And wow, that's pretty crazy. What is the gold to silver ratio is at 80.05 right now. So 80-1. The other day, it was at 78-1. So that might have been a good day to go trade some silver and get you some gold, everybody. Woo-woo. 4:30 in the morning. Is that what it is? Yeah, 4:30 in the morning. Doing these videos for you guys. I don't care about the views, everybody. They get good views. They're consistent. And guess what? They're all you. Right there in your living room. All of our dedicated viewers, we appreciate you. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and share button. But I don't care if we get any views. We have a good time. And I enjoy commenting on or replying to all your comments. So I just want to let you know that you guys are fantastic. Let's look at copper. Guys, copper is going to leave a lot of y'all. You're going to fall off the apple cart. I'm just telling you, if you don't think about the future, I'm not talking about you investing in copper and making money, big time money right now. You can if you buy enough of it, but it's at $4.97. We're going to be posting a video on Saturday, and it's going to be all about copper investing, how to invest in copper. What is going on with the bullish market on copper. And guys, if copper dries up, silver dries up, I just think it's the next. I think it's the next metal, everybody. So that's my opinion. And so far, I've been right on a few things. So what the heck? Goldbacks, guys, right now. And remember, the goldbacks follow the rate, the gold market spot price. So goldbacks today, 854 exchange rate, guys. And Bitcoin's kind of staying right back where it was a few weeks ago. It's at $110. What would I be if I didn't foul up and misspeak something, guys? $110,894.70. If you guys don't know why I go up here and I hit the pause button, it's because I have to pause it to blow my nose. So let's look. Let's check out a silver price graph, guys, that I found. I thought it was really cool. Let's check that out. I want to show you a few things. So let's look at that. So I found this graph and I thought it was pretty cool. It goes all the way back here, all the way to 1915. Look at there, guys. 51 cents an ounce, everybody, for an ounce of silver. 51 cents. Now, that was back in 1915, so that's pretty stout. But we're going to roll over here to, where are we at? 2020. Let's go here. Let's go to January 2020, guys. How would you like to have that right now? 1808 or 1801 an ounce for silver. And then if you look at this graph, let me get that out of the way. And you look at our graph right here, and we're at 1992. Look at how silver has it stabilized right in here to 03, and then look at the climb right here as it started climbing. I mean, I would have loved to have paid $14 an ounce in 07, and then we drop her down right in here a little bit. 08, she dropped down to 928. All right, and then look at the climb right there. Bam. All the way up to 2011, 41.35 in 2011, everybody. And then we had our big drop again. So, I mean, that's a huge, huge, huge drop. So, and then here we go again, stable, climb, and then massive increase all the way up to here. So, looking at this at 51.86 right there, you see some patterns right here. Climb, peak. And then we crashed way down to here and stabilized for several years. 16, 18, 19, 20. And then it started to climb again. So are we going to see that, that crash? We're peaking, we're bubble, and are we going to drop down, $20, $30 an ounce? I think it's different right now than it was back then when 2011-ish, when it climbed so hard. And looking at it here, to 41.35 August or 2011, and then it really dropped. I'm going to say it looks like about $22 an ounce. It could happen, but I just think it's different right now. So I think we're going to continue, and we're going to continue on a big drive to possibly $60 an ounce. We're at 52.79 right now on silver, guys. I think that's close. I mean, for 1 month, we've done almost $10 an ounce, or more. So could it go 60 by the end of the year? I'm kind of betting it's gonna. I don't think it's gonna burst anytime soon. When you've got the big dogs in London out of silver, and you've got people all over the world buying silver and gold, and I mean gold $4,227. Would you ever thought you would have seen that? I don't know. I don't know, man. It's crazy. But I believe it's going to continue, everybody. So let's look at Woody, my 93-year-old father-in-law veteran, Korean War veteran. Let's pull out a couple of his little things that he gave me. And like I said, I don't know if I've shown this to you, but nice little box here that these come in. And when you buy this stuff, guys, you're thinking, wow, look at me, I'm getting a special mint set. 70 years from now, you might. But these are designed to hold and hang on to. This is an American Historic Society Certificate of Authenticity. Another mint set. And, the quarter, the $50, the nickel, the dime. And 1998. So another beautiful little set that Woody got. And, I'm not going to criticize anybody for getting this stuff and really loving the collections, because it's stuff like this that you can buy at a relatively inexpensive price right now. And this is what gets you into the silver and the gold and the bigger numismatic stuff. So beautiful little coin set right there, guys. He does have some other stuff that's a little cooler. Look at what we got here. Now, some of you saw this if you saw the video I posted on Sunday that I deleted, but this is pretty cool right here, guys. Now, he did do this, and these are our war nickels. And we'll start out right here. He's got some pretty good ones. There's some silver nickels in here. And hang on just a second. The allergies are brutal this morning, everybody. So you can see, I'll try to get it as close as I can, guys. He's missing a few, but he's got some cool ones in here. The war nickels are cool. I like the buffalo nickels too. War nickels are cool. He's got some silver nickels in here that have a little bit of value. But it was all about, for Woody, it was all about the collecting part of it. And it's a pretty good book. It's an older book, so I got to kind of be careful with it. So it's really cool. Like I said, it's all about the collection that he keeps, and he gave to me, and he didn't have to, but because he collected and it was kind of his pride and he had a good time, I appreciate it very much. And I will be passing this stuff off to the grandkids, guys, and hopefully they hold it for years and years and years. And there's a story behind this, and we'll hope that people appreciate that story. Here's a 50 states quarter collection, guys. He liked this stuff. Now, the 50 states quarters, they are very pretty, and of course he got them all. So it probably took him a little bit, but he got all of them, everybody. So there's the 50 states quarter collection that he loved. And 70, 80 years, if you whip this thing out, guys, guess what? These might have quite a bit of value. These are all the older stuff, the early 2000s is when he did this. 04, 2003. A lot of these quarters are the older stuff. So really cool. The quarters are beautiful, the new quarters. So I like them. I think I don't collect them, but I guess I do now, right? So let's get back to it. Thanks for watching that. Thanks for sticking with me. Let's go over silver, gold, and copper, Bitcoin one more time, everybody, and then we'll get off of here. And you guys have a happy Thursday. 42.29 on gold, 52.81 on silver. Platinum is 1660. It's actually down $1 now, and which is odd because it's been really cranking with gold and silver too. Palladium's up $4. It's at 1531, and our gold to silver ratio is still basically 80-1. And gosh, gold backs are the same because they don't update till later. They're at 854 exchange, and copper is 497 right now, guys. Bitcoin 110, 894.70. So everybody have a happy Thursday. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking, subscribing, sharing, all that good stuff. We appreciate you very, very much. My effort to get up in the morning to do this in the morning and happy coffee, it's just a blast. So be part of the community. Come to our channel. We've got great videos coming up. We've got a phenomenal copper video coming up. I know a lot of you don't like copper, but you don't want to miss the bus, guys. It's going to be a long-term deal, but I think copper is going to go into a shortage, and it's going to really rise in value. Copper bullion is going to rise in value, guys. All the copper is going to go up. So it's a long-term thing. I'll be long gone, but I'm giving it to the grandkids, and that's what it's for. So SSC right here. Happy coffee. Happy Thursday, guys. I'm out.